Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Hazel, and in this channel, I share tips on working from home, freelancing, learning new skills, and building your online business. If your goal is to achieve financial freedom, live life on your terms, and enjoy your days at the beach with pina colada in hand, then hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on my latest content. Running an e-commerce business is not easy task. From trying to market your products effectively, keeping customers engaged, and dealing with the never-ending need for fresh content. It can feel overwhelming. And if you have ever tried hiring someone to promote your products or edit videos, you know how costly and time-consuming it can be. But what if I told you there's a powerful AI tool that can do all of this for you? Today, I'm super excited to talk about the massive opportunity to grow your e-commerce business using AI. There's an incredible tool that can help you scale, automate tasks, and of course, make more money, whether you're just starting out or already running an online business. So before we dive into the tool itself, let's quickly break down what AI is. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the computer system designed to handle tasks that usually requires human intelligence, like decision making, problem solving, and learning. It's a game changer for businesses, especially in the online space. Well, let's talk about the AI tool that can help take your business to the next level. With our sponsored AI tool, Panda72. With this tool, you don't have to worry about hiring someone to promote your products or even finding a video editor. Panda72 allows you to select an avatar to promote your products, and it automatically edits your videos for you. Imagine how much time and money you'll save by letting AI handle your marketing content. If you're ready to boost your business with AI, keep watching because I'll show you how to get started with Panda72 and the steps you can take to grow your income. Panda72 seems like a versatile AI video generation tool tailored for an e-commerce sellers and influencers, especially those promoting products on the platforms like Amazon. With a straightforward step-by-step process, users can create personalized marketing videos with a minimal effort. Here's a summary of key features. Let's review AI video ads. So when you click try now, it would lead you to this page. Now here, users can generate videos by simply copy and pasting the product URL from Amazon or other e-commerce sites. So paste it into the search bar and hit upload button. So you're instantly ready to start making videos. Now after this, it would lead you to this page. So we have step 1, the product info. So you can customize the product description here, and you can also add logo, and you can also customize the product name, and then you can add additional images, and then you're going to click next, and then after that it would lead you to step 2, the video script, right? So you have to prepare your video script. You can choose between AI generated script tailored to your audience or input your custom script, right? And also you can select your language, whether it's English, UK, English US, Arabic, or Dutch or Filipino. And yeah, voila, right? And you can also choose your target audience, whether your target audience is a content creator, uh, Android user, blogger, YouTubers, TikTokers, musician, podcasters, interviews, public speaker, voice actor, video producer, live stream, event host, or recording artist. And then after that, you're going to click next. And then we have to wait for at least seconds, a few seconds, right? Because they are generating our script. So let's move on to step 3, video templates. So here you can choose your video style, and also you can choose or pick template. Pick a template, right? So you can also pick a template and then select an avatar. You can also select an avatar. So they have a lot of avatar that you can choose. So mine, I choose this avatar, Molly with the green hair. So I choose this one, and then you can also choose music, right? You can also choose music. They have some options here, right? So we have this soul for the one, power to achieve. So they have a lot of music that you can choose. And then after that, after you choose your template, avatar, and your music, you can submit a video. And then after that, after you submit a video, it will lead you to this one, the final touch. So for this one, you can also customize everything by clicking the customize button, right? So you can customize this one, you can customize the template, you can upload your own avatar, or you can choose here some of the avatar here. You can also choose some of the materials that you would like to add on your video. So they have AI generated education training. So if your video is all about business, so you can select some of the business just over here, right? And yeah, and you can also add some music, right? So if you want to add some music, you can also add some music, and then you can also change the avatar as what I've said earlier, and you can also switch up the video style, and then you can also upload your own video, right? So you can also upload your own video here, and you can also upload your voice. You can do voice over, or you can record it directly to this website. And then yeah, and then after that, after you tweak the background and even add a voiceover, so after that you can hit the export button, and yeah, you're done, right? So your AI powered video masterpiece is ready.
Note that you can now create your own new customized avatar instantly by following the simple avatar creation tutorial. After completing the tutorial, upload your preferred video and your voice over to our training. To verify your identity, record a short live video confirming that you are individual in the recorded video. Upon review, your AI avatar will be created and ready for use in generating video advertisement by following the 3 simple steps outlined in the tutorial.
Capture the essence of your creativity with Hawk's wireless lavalier microphones. Designed for relentless innovators like you. These mics ensure your voice is heard with clarity, whether you're producing your next hit, streaming live, or hosting an event. Embrace noise-free recording, extended battery life, and the freedom of movement up to 65 feet. Simplify your process with plug-and-play ease. This is your moment. Make it resonate with Hawk.
The product is ideal for anyone looking to promote e-commerce listings, influencers, or individuals creating content for short video platforms like YouTube or TikTok. The focus is on making video marketing accessible and streamlined. So would you be considering Panda72 for your YouTube content creation? Or is it more for exploring TikTok ads? Why don't you try Panda72?